What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today is a Costco shopping day. So me and hubby are on our way, and I made a list. I'm going to try to stick to the list. We'll see. And then if we can find something else, yeah, we'll see. Anyway, let's get to shopping, you guys.
Yeah.
We actually see some fridges. Let's see if they have a freezer. Okay. I need info. Okay. I don't like it. They're very small, so we're gonna keep on browsing. They have the black stone, $400. This one's very nice. One day, maybe. We have these in our backyard. These are so nice to have, like bistro lights. So they are $30, 28 feet. Not bad. Kellen found one. Traeger. Oh yeah, this is like name brand. Oh my gosh, this is heavy duty. Oh, I think I like this one better. How much are you? Doesn't say the price. Kellen said it's free. We can't find the ticket, so okay. We just found the price. It was flipped upside down. So Traeger is $8.49. Weber is $7.99. They even have like a mini. Okay, 130, 125. Really? Are you tired already? Should we bring this along with us? We got camping gear, beach chairs. One thing I found are these cast iron, which I have been wanting one for a long time. It's 25 bucks. They are heavy. Oh my gosh. Hold on. There we go. I'll just show you this way. So if you got the grill, which I do, I'm losing all of the juices. So by having this, you can capture the juice, all that fat. You can put it on your stovetop, which for 25 bucks, I want one. Something I saw, which I think is so cute. These little lanterns. They are $30 for a set of 3. This one, it almost looks like it's rain. This one is 28. They got some other stuff here. Oh, there you go. So you can kind of see how big it is. This is so pretty. Look what I found. Actually, Callan found. So $12.99. What do you guys think? Another thing I just found is collagen peptides. This one has probiotics and it's for $24. But they do have different brands. This one, the Vital Proteins, collagen peptides, almost looks like chocolate. Yep, chocolate. Hold up. Right there. This one is 20, and I believe this one, I don't know if this is unflavored or is it vanilla? Unflavored. I still have some home from Amazon, which I will leave a link down below, but if you guys are at Costco, they have some. This thing is huge. 60 bucks. What are you? Okay, not for me though. We are in the aisle with the pots and pans.
I like these.
Hold on, Callan found something. One thing that I saw, which these little bowls I actually got at a White Elephant Christmas party. They're not expensive, which this is crazy because they're so pretty. But I got these for free because I won in a White Elephant. But these are definitely worth it. They got different styles too, if you guys want more colorful bowls. Cute. No, that's Starbucks. Wrong price. Let me see, are you here? Oh. Well, if you guys want like these plates, I'm not quite sure how much they are. If you guys didn't tell already, we're kind of like going through each aisle, looking at the new stuff they have. They've got towels, kitchen towels. So it is a day to browse around. Alright, we got to the meats. I need chicken breast. So we have organic, $5.99. I'm not gonna grab thighs this time. I need just chicken breast. So let's grab these. Okay, I just found these. I know they're not organic, but $2.99. I'm gonna grab me this because this is a 6-pack instead of just a 3-pack. So I think for the price, I'll do this one. I'm gonna grab me some ground beef. You know I'm getting my pork belly. Gotta go browsing around. Ooh, this one looks good. Found the ribeyes, $14.99. I'm not gonna do any of these hot dogs, but I am gonna look for my one that I usually get. And I do believe these are it right here. Yes, these are the best. I'm gonna grab me 2 of these if I can. I just found this Green Ridge beef sticks, and the ingredients are good except for the natural flavors, but other than that, I like it. I'm gonna give them a try. Everything else is processed, has sugars, other stuff in it. Let's see here. Okay, where are the ingredients? People, okay, beef water, granulated, garlic, salt, oh, sodium phosphate. Do you see that carrageenan, sugar, spices? Oh my gosh. Absolutely not. Stay away from that. Nope. Stuff like this. So before, I loved this, except definitely not while on carnivore. Chicken meatballs? Yeah. Let's see. Are they 100% chicken? Ingredients. Chicken parmesan. I mean, it's not bad, but still, no. So I ended up grabbing one of these, the chunky guacamoles. They're actually not bad, $11.99. They have smashed avocados. I've had these before. For some reason, I thought the flavor was a little bit funky. I did not try this brand, but I don't know. I like this one. The flavor is awesome. And for the price, yes. Garlic is $4.99. I'm grabbing me a bag. We got potatoes, 10 pounds, $8. That's for Callan. Okay, I found my ribs. $3.99. There's 2 racks in here, and between me and Callan, we eat like half a rib at a time. So like I'll eat a quarter, he eats a quarter. So what is this one? Seasoned tri-tip. I'm not gonna grab the tri-tip. Say that 5 times real fast. But definitely the ribs. Callan said he wanted one, so I guess we're getting. This is what our cart looks like. Okay, I hate coming in here. Oh, freezer. I need the milk. Oh gosh. Eggs. They are doing very poorly on eggs. But I will grab Callan the A2 milk. And I'll need some butter, and that's it. Here he comes. Okay, I found the cheese. Here, 2-pound block cheese, $5.69. I got mine at Fry's, and I think it was like $8.99. So definitely worth coming to Costco and getting the blocks. The shredded, they have too many ingredients that I don't like, and they're more expensive. So just shred your own cheese. Pepperoni. I would buy pepperoni, except let me see if we're by the ingredients. Right here. Dextrose, spices, lecithin. They have a lot of stuff that I don't like. Sodium nitrate, BHA, BHT. I mean, what are these? No pepperoni. Goodbye. We are gonna grab the Arizona raw honey. They have the wildflower honey, except I feel like it's a little bit more on the sweet side. So if you guys like really want sweet honey, I would get the wildflower. But Arizona honey, you know, we're in Arizona, so might as well get Arizona honey. Blue agave, they got Nutella, strawberry jam, so on and so forth. Alright, I think we're done. Time to stay in line and pay and go home. It is so packed today, and it's a Wednesday. We're back home. So here are the stuff that I got for me. Now, Callan came shopping with me, so of course he grabbed a lot of his stuff, which I'll show you maybe a few of them, but not everything. But yeah, let's go through what I got. All right, so I got me a block of the Colby Jack cheese. I love to shred my own chicken. I've got the Kerrygold Irish butter. I got 2 of these. I do go through a lot of butter. I did end up getting the ribeye. I don't know why the meat got so expensive, but me and Callan do split, so this will be like 6 meals right here. I ended up getting 2 of these sausages. I call them hot dogs, but they're called sausages. I got this one, the tri-tip. Callan actually wants to put it on the grill, so we're gonna try something a little bit different with this. I did get the Green Ridge beef sticks. Actually, very clean ingredients. I have not tried these yet, but we'll see. I got two of these, the ribs, and it comes with 2 racks. Like I mentioned before, I'll divide it into half, and then I'll eat a quarter, he eats a quarter, or from the half, he'll eat half, and so on and so forth. So you guys know what I'm talking about. So that's a lot of ribs. Pork belly, one of my favorites. So I also got the tuna to make some tuna patties, ground beef, 3-pack, and then the chicken breast, this comes 6-pack. So this is what I got for me. And here's some stuff from Callan. I won't go through all of them because there's stuff that I won't be able to eat. So he did get like burnt ends, but the ingredients are not that great. He got the taquitos, he's got orange chicken, panko shrimp. He did get like the salami, garlic. He loves garlic bread. The mac and cheese. Of course, he's got dessert. Yeah, so I mean, like I said, there's quite a few extra stuff that we got I can't have. But that's it for this video. All I gotta do is separate them, use my vacuum seal, which I have in my pantry. Yeah, kind of organize my stuff. But if you guys have any questions on anything that you saw today, please leave me a comment down below. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. But till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.